Not even recording.
Stand up straight. No, I want you to. Okay. I'm not gonna fall. I can do this. Record. Make sure you get all of them. At the same time. I'm jumping over his back. Yeah. You ready, David? Go for it. Whoa, don't do that. I was ready. I was in. Here it goes. Here it goes. There it goes. I'm coming. Wait! I'll do it too! Okay, you go first and then I go. Ready? Open pants will fall and catch your head. Recording this shit?
Yeah.
Go! I thought you could make it. My turn, bitch. It's my turn. Get the fuck up. Get the fuck up. It's my turn. Oh, it's my turn. Get up. Wait. Get up, David. It's my turn. You get up. David. Oh, I don't care. Your big ass landed on top of me. Get up. Pretty much. You tapped me out like ow. Why did you stop? He's like Get up, man. Get up! And keep your head down. Get up! Why are you David? Seriously, you're right. My stomach home. My last day here. My last day here. Why? Do it for me. Get up, my battery's gonna die. My balls are fucking hurting. Get up. Alright. David, don't you dare move. You can squat more than that, can't you? Do it again. Wow. Just do it. Just the nose. Just the nose. Where'd they go?